Okay, so let us solve this integration question. Okay, right. So we are given the integration I is equal to 5 10x by 10x minus 2 dx, which is equal to x plus a log sin x minus 2 cos x plus k, where k is constant of integration, and we need to find the value of a, this value of a. So that value we need to find. It means we have to solve this integration, and that integration will come like this expression will be there. In that, what will be the value of a? That part we have to find out. Correct? Okay. So let us solve. So I is equal to 5 10x is there. Let us convert it into, because here sin x cos x is there. So it is giving us some indication that if we will put this expression in the form of sin x cos x, then sometimes we will be able to solve this question easily. So sometimes when we see the answer carefully, we come to know that which are the steps we have to apply and which method we have to go especially. Okay, so that is giving an indication. So it's always better that we must have a glance if MCQ type question is there or answer any such type of expression is there. So we must have a glance of that answer clearly. Okay, that will give us an idea that actually which path we have to follow, which step we have to follow. Okay, so by seeing this sin x and cos x availability of this sin x and cos x in answer, I feel that I should convert this 10x as sin x by cos x. Okay, and so by doing that, so it will become 10x is equal to what? We all are knowing that it is sin x by cos x. So this sin x by cos x, if we are applying here, so it will become 5 sin x by cos x dx divided by 10x. So it will become sin x by cos x, and it will get multiplied with this cos x will get multiplied with 2. So it will become sin x minus 2 cos x. Okay, and divided by cos x. So this cos x and this cos x will get cancelled. See here, sin x minus 2 cos x has come. So converting this 10x by sin x by cos x, we have got some clue here. It means we are moving in right direction. Okay, then next one. So this 5 constant will come outside, and we will put as sin x by sin x minus 2 cos x dx. Now we need to utilize partial fraction method. Okay, and partial fraction method, how we are finding out, especially in integration. So this 5 sin x, which is numerator part, we are writing as 5 sin x is equal to, so a into numerator part. Okay, a, no, a will be utilizing this denominator sin x minus 2 cos x, and plus b into differentiation of this sin x minus 2 cos x. Okay, differentiation. So differentiation of sin x will give us as cos x, and differentiation of cos x will give as minus sin x. So minus minus will become plus, so it will become 2 sin x. Okay, so this is one type of partial fraction which we will be applying. So a into whatever denominator is there, plus this will be the differentiation of denominator part. Okay, right. So now we will find out the value of a and b. So this we can write 5 sin x is equal to, sin x will take common. So sin x, from here it will come a, and from here it will come plus 2b. Right. And if we'll take cos x common, then from here b will come, and from here minus 2a will be coming. Okay. If we will equate both, okay, if we will be equating both, then what we will be finding? We will find that this sin x of 5, its coefficient is 5, here a plus 2b. So a plus 2b is equal to 5. And another one is there, that is b minus 2a is equal to 0 here, because there is no cos x, so it is 0. Okay, so it means we have to solve for a and b here, right? So we will put that b is equal to 2a value. So here we will be finding out a plus 2 into 2a, 4a is equal to 5, and this is giving us as 5a is equal to 5. So a is equal to 1. Okay, then b is equal to 2 naturally, because 2 into 1 naturally. Okay, now if we are putting 1 as a and b is equal to 2, same 5 sin x we will get. Let us check. So a is equal to 1 if you are putting, so this is sin x. Okay, and b you are putting here b, so 2 into 2 sin x, so 4 sin x plus 1 sin x, 5 sin x it has come. Then here minus 2a, 2 cos x, and here it will become 2 cos x, so both will get cancelled. It means this partial fraction is absolutely correct, and this is the method which we need to apply. Okay, right. So it means this I from here we can write as, for 5 sin x completely, 5 sin x completely, we can write like this, and a is what? 1 only. So sin x minus 2 cos x divided by sin x minus 2 cos x dx. Let us separate it. This one, for a we will separate it, for b we will separate it, and in between plus is there, and b is what? 2 is there, so 2 will take it out, and then cos x plus 2 sin x by sin x minus 2 cos x dx. Okay, so once this is there, then this will get cancelled. So here we are getting dx plus, and this one actually substitution method we can apply. So this is what? This is differentiation of sin x minus 2 cos x. So you can assume as sin x minus 2 cos x is equal to y, then it will be giving cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to dy dx, sorry dx. Okay, so is equal to dy. So we can place here as this as dy and by y. Okay, so this dx has given us as x, and plus 2 log y plus k. K integration is there, constant of integration k, so we will write as k. Okay, right. So this is giving us as x plus 2 log, and then y. What is the value of y? Y is sin x minus 2 cos x plus k. It means when we compare this x plus a log sin x minus 2 cos x plus k, and we need to find the value of a. So what is the value of a? That is the question. It means when we compare both of them together, then we used to find that the value of a is 2 here. Okay, value of a is 2 here. Correct? So a is equal to 2. Okay, right.